Hey guys, okay, so just a short video because I don't have a whole lot of time on this camera. As you can see, I'm sitting outside for a change, and today we are discussing my first EDC knife. This is the Gerber Mini Remix 2. Okay, so right at the outset, let me say I lost the spec sheet for this a long time ago. I had to kind of Google this thing to see if I could find the blade steel and stats and stuff like that. I bought this at a flea market about 7 years ago now. I've had it for a long time. I had a knife that was, full stainless steel construction, and it was very heavy. I needed something a little bit lighter, and a little bit smaller and a little bit less threatening. So I picked this one up, and I'm just going to kind of cut the story off on that one, get straight to pros and cons. Pros, I mean, it's nice and light. The blade is, I believe, 440C stainless, and it's held an edge. I've only ever had to sharpen. I tried teaching myself to sharpen on the bottom of an old coffee cup, but it wasn't really necessary. I don't really abuse my knives, so this one's held an edge for a very long time, and it's super easy to sharpen. I touched it up on a V-sharp, for this video. It's got a button lock, which is hidden behind some insulation tape because the button has popped out, and I don't particularly want that to happen again. It's light, okay, lightweight, good blade. I think that's everything. Yeah, and it's easy to use. Perfect for beginners. Cons, that clip is really the only problem. This is about 2 centimeters of blade that stick out of your pocket when it's closed. Not ideal if you want your knife fully hidden, which is kind of what I prefer. Still, good blade. Unfortunately, this one, and I just want to get this out of the way before we get to the cutting test and such. This is not what you would typically see when you look up a Gerber Remix or Mini Remix. I had to really dig to find information on these. This particular model I have not been able to find anywhere, except maybe on some secondhand market stuff. And so I think this one's been discontinued. You might still be able to get it some places, but I doubt it. Alright, so let's just get to some cutting tests real quick. Okay, so cutting tests. Let's start with the paper, because that's just the easiest. I think I probably didn't give it enough. Oh wait, no, there we go. There we go. There's a good one. Whoops. Cardboard, I don't think it'll cut through this. Oh, what do you know? It actually did. And plastic. This, I doubt this is going to cut all the way, cut through it in a meaningful way. Huh, it did. Okay. And last but not least, an apple. There we go.